You can add your assignments for the project starters in Learning Hub. This is incredibly beneficial to capture learning goals unique to your students in the Smart Lab program, assist in your grading procedures, or adapt for accessibility and differentiation. You have the flexibility to customize your assignments to align them more closely with specific content or standards, providing an excellent opportunity for collaboration with content teachers. For instance, when aligning student projects with topics covered in their math class, you can create unique assignment questions that specifically target and support what the students have learned in the Smart Lab in conjunction with their math curriculum. This collaborative approach helps reinforce the integration of knowledge across subjects. To replace an existing assignment with your own custom assignment, you'll first want to hide the original assignment. To hide the assignment, click on the assignment page and then toggle to change your visibility from visible to hidden. I do want to point out something that is very important. You will have the ability to delete or edit the original assignment. But if you delete or edit it, you cannot get it back. If you hide it, though, it will always be there for you to access. And then you can always change it to visible again, or you can use it as inspiration for your customized assignments. We strongly recommend that you do not delete or edit any assignment in Learning Hub. Instead, just hide it. Once you have hidden the original assignment, you can create your own. Ensure you have selected the project starter that you want this assignment to be under. You know this because I am under the module dash grocery delivery. And so I know then if I say create new and then assignment, it's going to go under that specific project starter. First, you need to title your assignment. You can also leave the assignment ungraded or assign a point value to it. You could set a due date, but like we've kind of gone over before, using the Smart Lab model, a due date really isn't necessary for the rotational style of your Smart Lab. In the text box, you have multiple options for creating your assignment. It is recommended that your assignment includes directions for students to follow in grade appropriate language. Ask questions to probe student thinking and explain their reasoning, really avoiding those yes and no questions. And you can also use images, videos, and links to kind of liven up your assignments. You'll always want to include clear, grade appropriate directions to complete your assignment. Some examples of things you need to think about for your directions for your assignment. Do you want your students to answer in complete sentences? Do your students respond to all the questions or can they pick and choose? Will they need to upload anything to the assignment? Do they need to specify who in the group is responding to what question in the assignment? And will they be submitting this assignment multiple times or just once? You'll also want to make sure you are asking students to explain their reasoning or thinking by avoiding yes or no questions. Yes and no questions might be helpful for a quick check-in in terms if they're staying on course for project completion, but ultimately you are asking students to complete an assignment. Make sure it's beneficial to their learning and your understanding of what they know and what they don't know. With Learning Hub, you can also make your assignments more interactive by adding videos or images and even links, and I'll show you how to do that. So in the text box, you can make basic formatting changes, including changing the font, the color, the alignment, bolding. You can use bullets and numbered lists. So here's my bullets or numbered lists. With the icon here that is insert stuff, that's exactly what it does. It allows you to insert various tools. When you click on it, you can add a variety of format of things like files or videos from your computer, or YouTube videos, or even embed links. With the quick link, which is more than just a hyperlink, you can add any of these things that you see listed here. At the bottom, you can insert a hyperlink to a website outside of Learning Hub. With any option found in Quick Link, it's recommended that you choose to open the link in a new window for just a better student experience. The next icon allows you to insert an image into your assignment. When clicked, you'll see multiple options for inserting that image. With the plus drop down menu, again, offers you a variety of other options to add to your assignment, like math equations and even emojis. And then for my coding pros out there, you are able to include source code into your assignment text box with HTML coding. If you are not comfortable with HTML coding, please do not worry. You do not need to know that knowledge to create assignments in Learning Hub, but I did just want to point that out in case this is an area of expertise for you. The 3 horizontal dots will just collapse your text box. You can also expand the text box to have a larger view of you editing your assignment. 2 important things that you really should do before you are ready to publish your assignment. The first is the accessibility checker. Once you complete your assignment, it is best practice to click on this accessibility icon. This feature helps ensure that the content you create meets accessibility standards. When you click the accessibility checker icon, it scans the content and provides feedback on potential accessibility issues. This includes identifying elements such as images missing alt text, improper heading structure, color contrast issues, and other accessibility concerns. The accessibility checker assists in making your content more inclusive and accessible to all your learners, allowing you to address and resolve any accessibility issues before sharing your content with students. Once you have checked your accessibility, the second icon is the preview icon. The preview button lets you preview how your assignment will appear to students before making it available. This allows you to review the content's layout and formatting and overall presentation, ensuring it meets your intended design. At the bottom of the text box, notice you have some features that appear when providing students with feedback. They're the same ones here. This means you can add link files to any of your drives. You can upload audio or video of yourself, giving students the directions to the assignments as well. On the right hand of the screen, you can see again that you can set due dates, but again, it's not recommended due to the rotational nature of the projects in the Smart Lab. You can set if you'd prefer the assignment to be a solo assignment or if you would like it to be a group assignment where they can submit one assignment together. If you do choose group assignment, you'll be prompted to select the project starter under which you'd like the assignment to be found. Because the assignments in Learning Hub are set up as group assignments, you'll need to consider if you want to create an individual assignment or if you'd prefer to follow the structure of other Learning Hub assignments. If you create an assignment and you choose an individual assignment, all learners will be able to see it and access it. If you create an assignment and you choose a group assignment, only students in a group found in a specific project starter can see the assignment. If you do choose to create an individual assignment, make sure it is clearly communicated to students since they will be familiar with submitting an assignment, and that submission is for all members of a group. Next is the submission type. To allow flexibility for your students, it's recommended that you select text or file submission. This option provides students with the widest set of tools to document and capture their response. Students can choose between uploading a file or responding to your assignment via text box by typing in their response. Students will always be able to record themselves via audio or video in their assignment submissions, so you'll never need to select that or even see that option when creating an assignment. Next, you'll see other options. You can decide how many times you want your students to submit an assignment and the file types that you want to accept, and if you want to see all of their submissions. Then under the evaluation and feedback, you'll also have other options to help you customize how you want to grade this assignment and provide feedback to your students. When you have created your assignment, you'll want to hit save and close. I recommend that during your creation, you hit that save button periodically. If you accidentally navigate away from the page, you lose all of your progress. Once you hit Save and Close, you'll be taken back to the homepage of your SmartLab HQ course. To find your assignment, scroll to find the corresponding project starter, and your new assignment will always be added to the bottom of that project starter module and will always start as hidden. You can click on the assignment and toggle hidden from visible when you're ready for students to access it. And you can also move the assignment to where you want it to appear for that project starter. Again, I really want to stress, do not delete or modify or edit any original assignment in Learning Hub, as you will lose them forever. Hide them for future use and then just create your new assignments in Learning Hub.